Hello and welcome to this video on the end of China's zero corona policy. After the de facto end of most of corona restrictions, a wave of infection is raging in China. The economy is suffering from this at the moment, as a slump in purchasing managers indices show. However, by the end of February, the wave of infection should be largely over. Then people will catch up on all the purchases they refrained from during the zero corona period. In addition, companies will be able to produce unhindered again. We expect the Chinese economy to grow strongly already in the second quarter. We have therefore raised our growth forecast for 2023 as a whole from 4.0 to 4.7%. Whether a post-corona boom in China means more inflation in the West is not so clear. On the one hand, international supply chains will relax when Chinese companies can produce freely again. On the other hand, China will import more goods and raw materials from abroad. In the sum, the end of zero corona policy could raise inflation in the West somewhat, but that is not a game changer. Many people also ask whether the U-turn in China's corona policy be followed by a reversal in economic policy. Indeed, the government is helping real estate developers to complete apartments that citizens have already paid for. Moreover, the government eases pressure on private technology companies. But all this should not be confused with a U-turn in economic policy. The Chinese state will continue to dominate the private sector. It will also continue to strive for autarky, for example, in the technology sector.